Hi guys, so welcome. Today I'm not gonna do my actual intro because I am making this video and I'm not quite sure if it's gonna be in the end of the video, and I just wanted to try something different. I lost one of my favorite fly fishing hooks, and it was like this orange little thing with like white feathers going around it, and I thought, well, I didn't find any place where I could order something in that direction, so I thought I might just try and tie one myself. So I ran to the shops and bought myself some orange string and white feathers and a bead for the head. So we'll see how it goes. I'll be speeding up this process because I'm sure it will take a while for me to tie it and there won't be so much speaking. So if you just aren't that interested in the hook, I'm gonna take it then when I'm finished tying it for fishing adventure. Then just speed up this part and check out if it catches, and we'll see how it goes. So first things first, I am going to take away the barb because I like to fish barbless hooks and I didn't have any at home, so I just bend it over. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tie a little bit of a body, then I can add the head onto it, and I'll show you how that looks and just jump over the whole part of me tying this on. So this is how it looks now after I've been tying a while, and now I'm just gonna add on this little head. So this is how it looks now, and now I'll just carry on making a little bit of a body, and I'll show you how that looks when I'm done. So as you see now, I've got a little bit of a body, and now I'm gonna be taking this feather and just adding it at the back here, and then turning it around the hook. So this is how I attach the feather, and I just show you guys. I'm gonna grab here like that and just tie it around like so. After tying everything off, this is how it looks, and we'll go and check out how it performs in the video. And I'll just hang it at the end now, and leave a like and maybe a comment now already if you think it will catch or not, and then check it out with the upcoming video. Cheers. Hi guys, welcome back to Christian Cast, where I go fishing so you don't have to. Today we are again on one of my favorite spots. All of you guys who watch my videos know it already, and we will be trying another fly fishing adventure. And I actually tied a fly of mine for the first time. I don't really have any gear for fly tying, but I sadly lost the fly that really worked well. Also, in some of my shorts, one sees the fly. It was orange with like little white tufts. So I just tried to tie my own fly, and as you can see here, like there, that's how he looks. And we're gonna just try and see if it works, or if I have to try again to tie it differently, or let's see how it goes. So we will give it a try now. So, let's give it another try. As you guys can see, it works! So guys, as you guys can see now without a rod in my mouth, the fly I tied, my first fly I tied, catches. So I'll give it another throw and see what we get. As you guys can see, it even catches the small fish. So let's give it another try and see what we get. So guys, third fish of the day. Really enjoying the fly I tie. I might really think about getting the fly binding gear and just giving this hobby an extra thing to do, I would say. So guys, third fish of the day on my fly hook, and we'll let him go now. So guys, fourth fish on my self-tied fly. It's a feisty little one. And another one. There comes a time one always has to say goodbye. Hi guys, so as you saw, today was a really cool fishing adventure. We caught 4 beautiful fish on the fly I tied myself, and I really enjoyed it. The hobby is getting more and more fun as you get into it a little bit. My casting's still not that what it should be, but everybody has to make a start. And at the end, not to forget, I have to thank someone for sponsoring 4 beers for me, and it's gonna be waiting for me at home. So cheers. If you like my videos, please leave me a like and subscribe. And if you've got tips for any different fly types that I could try, maybe even to bind them myself, just drop it in the comments, and we'll see each other for the next adventure. Cheers!